I'm Kristen.
And I'm Elise, and we both work for Docking Drawer.
We are always preaching about how easy docking drawer outlets are to install by anyone. So we're going to put it to the test and see if the two of us can install 2 outlets into these bathroom vanities.
Get started. Boxing of Docking Drawer.
Okay, so there's this. What is this? Do we need to do anything with that?
Right there.
This.
Pull that back.
A+.
I have to make it a little wider. This is the moment of truth. There we go.
Beautiful.
Now for the hard part.
All right.